My body was born in San Diego. Rainy Sunday brought my parents joy. As a boy, I grew up in Canada, rocking the Rockies, snowboarding and playing hockey. Got a beautiful sister and two folks that love me. In Alberta, I learned to walk and talk. Canmore is lovely to give and take, and most importantly to pray. Every morning, every day, commit my way. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive everyone who trespasses against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. Yo, so, it seems like it's peachy, and really it was. Innocent childhood in high school, not too much problems with the fuzz. But I strayed, got into selfish indulgence, impatient lust and drunkenness, getting faded, player hating, breaking hearts and laws, trying to force my destiny without just cause. I tried for a long time to see the world through rose-colored glasses, establish my own righteousness, make my own matches, rebelliousness hamstrung, jobs and careers, relationships were hampered, and mushrooms brought out wicked fears like clouds and the darkness and lightning, and I was lost in forests, fighting. Though I met lovely people, children of God, I couldn't fully partake, cause I couldn't keep up. I was a hopeless romantic, lovesick fanatic, idealizing communism and spiritual cultivation, with rules, without rules, no rules. I tried, confused, went in and out of schools. I tried to succeed, but I was a fool. And with a woman piercing my heart and cutting me loose, I was the last, the loser, walking lonely on the beach, a lonely caboose. Then I realized I was running away. I was the one rebelling, running away, being unfaithful. I called a truce through Jesus, through Jesus, through Jesus, through Jesus, through Jesus. Yeshua, the Messiah. God offers reconciliation in a plan that's more mysterious and higher. The fact that blood, the life in the blood, can be transferred, can wash away impure thoughts and genetic conditions that go deep into the dark mists of history. This condition, study it. We have been off track, we have proved we are not good stewards. We lose every time we win, every time we invent. We create trouble, and the cement cracks and breaks, and with an earthquake and tsunami, all of a sudden we have radiation reaching across the oceans. And through Jesus, God restores and offers reconciliation, restored union, and love and sweet communion. So I jumped in, trust Him.